What's up, everyone? Ginger Squatch back here again. Thank you for tuning in. I'm back from my trip from St. George Island, and I've got a little treat for y'all today. I have a fish in the cooler here that I brought back that a lot of people call a trash fish, and I think they call it a Gafftop sailfin catfish, and normally we just call it a SAILCAT. They're pretty plentiful in the area where I come from in Apalachicola. In the bay there, you could catch them at night a lot. That's what most people will catch. Fishing with cut bait, shrimp, whatever you put out, they're gonna gnaw on it. But I brought some back because normal people call them a trash fish and that they don't taste good, so they throw them back. But we're gonna clean some up today, and we're gonna fry them up, and we're gonna eat them and see how they taste. So, for storage reasons, I clipped the fins off the sides because, you know, these catfish, they have these fins. They normally come out pretty far, maybe this far, and they can stab you really easily, and it does hurt, and it leaves like a toxin in there, and it burns, and it will linger for quite some time. And just for storage reasons, I clip all these fins off. But normally these fish have a long string that comes off of their dorsal fin like this. Their dorsal fin might come up to there, then there's a long string that comes off here. Having a good flayboard's pretty good to have as well too. And I'll just take all this now. What I like to do is I like to break off the backbone, and you can keep all this stuff for blue crabs and stuff like that. But with this, I like to keep, and I like to fry these as well because I like the tails get really crispy. And then we'll try to flay the meat right off the skin right here. I will have some ribs right here. Then we have a nice fillet. They have a decent amount of meat on them. The meat looks really good if you ask me. I think the meat looks white and delicious. Plus, I mean, it is a saltwater fish. How bad could it be? Cut the ribs right on out. I just throw these away. You could keep these for, I guess you could keep it for bait if you wanted to. Use it for all sorts of things, chum, whatnot. But another thing I want to say is, to get this meat to taste the best, along with bleeding them out before you keep them, this red meat right here kind of it's the most gamiest tasting part of the fish. So I try to cut off as much of it as I can, because it'll make the fish have a funkier taste. That stuff there, don't really want any of that. See, I think this meat looks pretty white. It looks good. Looks better than most of the fish that I catch around here where I live in Georgia. Their fish usually has a bit of a yellow tinge.
We're gonna use what Clint taught us. Try to fillet this fish and hope I don't butcher it. Oh dear. Huh? At least that part didn't turn out too bad. How's that? Good?
I think these fillets right here look pretty good. I think they're going to taste pretty good. But we'll fry them up, give them a taste, and I bet they'll be good. All right, we're back in the kitchen. We got our fillets here. We got some fish fry here. Over here, we got some oil in the wok, and we got some other pans heating up for some sides. Some macaroni going. In our fish fry, we got a little slap your mama, some pepper, some salt, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get some of our yummy looking SAILCAT fillets here. Tossed around in our fish fry. We'll do 3. Getting coated. I don't really like a thick coating on my fish when it's fried, so I just do it like this. Just a nice light dusting, because I don't like eating all that oil anyways. Give the oil a little check. Sizzle. I get the oil up around 350. They're up pretty hot. So our fish is looking nice and golden brown now. I like a nice light golden color. I think it's looking pretty good. What do you think? All right, our fish is ready. Nice golden brown. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good. Let's give it a try. Hot, hot, hot. I think it's really good. I think it's actually really good. Let's try the tail. Do a little crunch test. I made a spicy Cajun tartar sauce. Let's try it with that.
How'd you make it?
Just with some mayonnaise and some sweet relish, some more of that slap you mama, lemon juice, garlic, and some lemon pepper. Oh man. Oh, that is so good. Well, before I get too full, I got some zucchini and squash, some macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna sit down with a plate of food. But in my personal opinion, I think that this fish is delicious. Let's see what Christine thinks. Hot?
It's so hot. It's pretty good. My favorite fish for a reason.
All right. I think I'm going to sit down and make some plates of food. But thank you for watching. SAILCAT is really good. Not a trash fish. Really good.